Hi everyone, it's me Bonnie from OZBEAUTYEXPERT, and as you can see I've got beautiful bouncy curly hair. Today I'm going to show you how to create different types of curls using different curling tongs. So whenever I'm about to use a curling tong on my hair, I make sure it's completely blow dried, and then I like to spray through it something to hold my style. I always recommend when you're going to curl your hair to use a light hairspray or a mousse or something that's going to help hold that style that you put in. Now I'm going to use my 38mm curling tong. What this one will do is give you really nice loose waves. It's going to be a more relaxed, softer style. It's actually a style that I really love. It's not just the curling tong barrel that makes a difference to what size wave you get, it's also the section of hair. If you get a smaller section of hair, it's going to give you a tighter curl, whereas if you get a bigger section of hair, it's going to give you a looser wave. You can see how that's more of a loose wave and not a tight curl, and that's because I'm using the larger barrel. As a general rule, I never leave the curls exactly as they are after I'm done. Fingers are great for a textured beachy look, and a hard bristled brush is great if you want that really beautiful, soft, glam wave. This is my 25mm curling tong. This is going to give me a Victoria's Secret bouncy voluminous wave. Once again, with this style, I'll never leave it just the way it is. I will always run my fingers through it or brush it with a hard bristled brush. This just makes it look way more natural and way more voluminous and bouncy and effortless. Look at that wave. Now, if it is a little bit too curly for you, you can just get a hard bristled brush and just softly brush it out, and it will soften that wave a bit for you. This is my 19mm curling tong. This will give you more tight and defined curls. This one is for when you actually want your hair to be curly, not wavy, and as you can see, it gives you a really nice springy curl. If you've chosen to use the 19mm curling tong, you want a nice defined curl, so I wouldn't brush it out too much or run my fingers through too much either. What I will do is lightly tousle the curls just to make them really springy and bouncy and soften them a little bit so that instead of looking like hard manicured curls, they look like soft, natural, bouncy, defined curls.